Hello there.
Ever feel bogged down by the endless task of content creation? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm about to unveil the top 5 AI buddies ready to kick your creative gears up a notch. Let's get into it. And first up, we have Canva. Imagine having a tiny design guru right in your pocket. That's Canva for you. It's like your creative buddy making it a breeze to whip up some stunning graphics, catchy social media posts, and sleek marketing materials. Thanks to its user-friendly design and a treasure trove of templates, you'll be churning out pro designs before you know it. Coming up next, we have Firefly. Firefly isn't just a tool, it's like having a virtual creative companion. It's all about turbocharging your innate creativity. Nestled within Adobe Suite, Firefly is brimming with generative AI magic tailored all for your creative whims. Whether it's jazzing up images or videos, this tool is a game changer for any creative workflow. And up next, we have MidJourney. Picture this, a tool that crafts visually captivating images from mere textual descriptions. That's MidJourney AI for you. Whether it's crafting logos, portraits, or architectural wonders, it's like having an artist at your beck and call, ready to bring your textual imagination to visual life. And up next, we have ChatGPT, your virtual wordsmith. ChatGPT hails from the house of OpenAI and is said to be a go-to for churning out everything written. From catchy blog posts to snappy marketing copy, it's like having a virtual comrade for when you need that extra nudge or sprinkle of inspiration. And last but not least, we have Runway ML. Runway ML is a game changer, and personally for me, I call it the future of storytelling. You can take a text and turn it into a video, image to video, or video to video. Runway ML is a personal favorite of mine, and if you're a storyteller, I recommend you checking it out. Please remember to like and follow us for more, and thank you for watching.